All right, so we're going to move on to step two. Step two is creating the customer quotation. So in step one, we created the inquiry, the customer inquiry, which presented the price and the delivery schedule to a customer, Peachtree Bikes, to consider a purchase from Global Bikes. A quotation is similar, except that it is a legally binding offer for delivering the requested product or services. In this case, it's the 7 numbers of bike that we are going to send to Peachtree Bikes. So Peachtree Bikes would like to have a firm quotation for the items in the inquiry created in step 1. And we can do this by copying the details from the inquiry into the new quotation, which we are going to do now. So to do this, we follow this path. We go to logistics, sales and distribution, sales, quotation, and we're going to create a new quotation. So we double click on that. So we get this new screen. In the quotation type, we are going to enter, we're going to click on this and QT. So it's a quotation. Double click, gets transferred right here. And then we are going to go to the bottom right-hand side of the screen and click on create with reference, because we're going to reference the inquiry that we've already generated in the previous step. Okay, so create with reference. We'll have this new screen. Make sure the inquiry tab is selected, right? Click on the inquiry field, then on the search icon. So this is going to, you'll have a new pop-up screen. Then click on, make sure that you have sales document according to customer PO number tab, and then enter the purchase order number. Here, the purchase order number is ###, whatever your ID is. My ID is 002, so I'm going to enter that. Click on start search at the bottom of the screen. This will produce a list with the inquiry for Peachtree Bikes. So this was created in step number 1, and this was my purchase order number and everything. Okay, so it shows me that it was created by, that's my ID, Teach002. You should be able to see yours. So whatever you see over here, that's the one that you're going to select. Okay. Double click on the inquiry to select it. So this is my inquiry. I'm going to double click it to select it. And the inquiry number is going to be copied right here. So that's my inquiry number. Click on the copy button to copy information from the inquiry to the quotation screen. So I'm going to just hit here, click here, copy. It gets all the information from the inquiry number, gets translated right here, right? The net value, and this is the expected order value, which is 70% of the net value. So everything gets transferred, right? Now enter in the customer reference right here, enter ###. Again, my number is 002. You are going to enter your number, okay? For the customer reference date, I'm going to put today's date. So that's right here. The valid to date is going to be 1 month from now. So this is a quotation which is valid for 1 month, right? Okay. So valid to date, and date 1 month from today for the required delivery date. So this required delivery date, now this also I'm going to change. This is not going to be today's date. It's going to be 1 month from today. Obviously, I need some time to deliver, right? So I'm going to put 1 month from today. Then click the enter key. Do not save. Again, do not save this. Hit the enter key on your keyboard. Okay. You hit the enter key. The default date is copied into existing schedule lines. So that's fine. If you get this warning, that's okay. You will get it. So you're going to click on OK. Or you just hit enter when this thing appears, then let's just hit enter. All right. You will get another information that change in invoice date, the billing date is redetermined. Right. So you are going to click on the continue button right here. Okay, so we're just going to ignore those warnings because we have changed it ourselves, so we know it. So we're going to click on continue to acknowledge this information. Now, to encourage Peachtree Bikes to become a loyal customer, we are going to give Peachtree Bikes a discount of $50 on each deluxe touring bike, as well as a 5% discount on the entire order. Okay, so this is what we're going to do for the patient so that the order really goes through. Peachtree likes the price and they go ahead and order the bikes. Now, to add $50 discount, select the deluxe touring bike line. So that's the deluxe touring bike line. That's the line item right here. And then click on item conditions icon. That's item conditions. Okay, click here. You will get a screen that shows the pricing details for your deluxe touring bike. Okay, so this is what you have right here. So in SAP, pricing is done using conditions. The pricing procedure defines which condition types are to be used to calculate the final price. Condition type PR00 is the gross price condition. To add a discount, we can add condition type K004. That's a material discount with an amount of $50 to the pricing procedure. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So cash discount, internal price. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Okay, and what we're going to do is we are going to add a new condition type. So this CNTY, that's the condition type. We're going to add a new condition type. Okay, and that's going to be K004. So let's hit on the search icon and we scroll down to K004. That's the material discount. Double click it. It's enter. And we are going to put under the amount right here, under the amount, we are going to put 50. Okay, so 50. And then click enter, hit enter. Okay, again, do not click save over here, hit enter button from your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you'll see over here K004, that's the material discount. So that's minus $50. Since there are 5 bikes, so that's a total of $250 discount that you're getting. Okay, so you should be able to see this. So note that the discount is now applied to the order. Click on the back icon to return to the main quotation screen. So that's the main quotation screen, right? Now you have to apply a 5% discount on top of that $250 discount that we have given. To apply the 5% discount to the entire order, follow the pull down menu path, go to more, go to header, and then conditions. Okay, click on this conditions, this new screen. All right. To apply the 5% discount, again, just scroll down a little bit. Okay, right here. To apply the 5% discount, enter under this condition type. Okay, go right here, condition type, and you're going to do a net discount. So click on this search icon, and the net discount is RA00. Right, so this one, percentage discount from net. Double click it, right? And an amount of 5. So this is 5%. By default, now RA00 is expressed in percentage, right? So we are going to put the amount right here as 5. Okay, click on this enter 5 from your keyboard, and then click enter from your keyboard. Again, do not save it, hit enter. As soon as I do that, so now I have this new. So you can see this was the material discount of $250, and this one is the discount from net, that's 5% discount. Okay, this is in terms of percentage. This is in terms of dollars. Okay. Now, this means that the condition type has been now activated. The price does not yet include the 5% discount. We still have to do that. Okay, so to include the 5% discount, click on the activate icon right here, activate button. Okay, so you click on this activate, and now you can see the value, $1,057.5. Okay. So this 5% discount is now applied. Note that this is applied to the price after the $50 discount per deluxe touring bike. Okay, so there were 5 of those, so that's $250. Then on top of that, we have $1,057. After that material discount, then you have that 5% discount. So click on save to save the new quotation. So you're going to click on save right here. And then you have this quotation number has been saved. Okay, what you're going to do again is, take a screenshot of this. I'm going to use my tool that I have, the snippet tool, the green shot, hit on print screen, and I'm going to copy that entire thing. Make sure you have your ID right here, and make sure you have this quotation number over here. This is what I'll require in the blackboard, right? So I'm going to select this entire screen, save it to my clipboard, and then I am going to copy it to a PowerPoint. Okay, let's get rid of this. Copy it right here, just format it. Just make sure that your ID is here and the quotation number is here, and make a note of this quotation number, write it down somewhere, all right? And this slide that can be uploaded on Blackboard. Okay, going back here, then I'm going to click on the exit screen to return back to the easy access screen. Okay, so that's the end of step number 2.